Hi everyone and welcome back to the GTL Labs YouTube channel. If you are looking to optimize inventory management, reduce stock shortage and enhance production efficiency, material requirements planning is your key to success. Today, we will dive into the basis of running MRP in IFS Applications, helping you understand how this powerful tool ensures that the right materials are available at the right time while minimizing excess inventory. Whether you are dealing with supply chain disruptions or struggling with demand fluctuations, MRP empowers businesses to plan smarter and operate more efficiently. To demonstrate this process, I'll be using two inventory parts, Part X and Part Y, both of which are set up with planning method A. To create demand for these two parts within the site, I will navigate to the customer order window and create a new customer order. First, I will save the order header and then I will add the two parts as order lines. For part X, I will set the quantity to 100. And for part Y, I will also set the quantity to 100. Once the order lines are added, I will release the customer order, putting it in released status. Next, I will check the inventory part stock. Here I can see that there is some stock available for a part X, but there is no stock available for a part Y. Since there is insufficient stock for a part Y, I will now run MRP for the site. To do this, I will go to the Perform Site MRP, specify the site and initiate the process. It may take few minutes for MRP to complete. Once MRP has finished running, I will go to the MRP Action Proposal page and query both parts to check the results. By searching for the part numbers, I can see that MRP has identified that the available quantity for a part Y is less than the demand. As a result, it has determined that the order needs to be placed. However, there is no record for part X because there is already enough stock available to fulfill the customer order. If I select the MRP proposal for a part Y and go to the follow-up section, I can see that a purchase requisition line has been automatically created for this part. To verify this further, I can check the inventory part availability planning page. Here I can confirm that for a part X, the required quantity is already available in inventory and will be used to fulfill the order. While for part Y, purchase requisition has been generated to replenish the stock. Why is running MRP important? Many businesses struggle with stock imbalances, either too much inventory that ties up capital or too little, leading to delays and unhappy customers. Whether you are a manufacturer, distributor or service provider, MRP is the backbone of efficient supply chain management. It ensures cost savings, streamlined operations and better customer satisfaction. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to GTL Labs for more insightful content on IFS applications. If you have any thoughts or questions, feel free to share them in the comment section. We would love to hear from you.